It's Hetty from the Modern Sewing Co here, and I'm going to show you how I made this simple racer vest top, which is an exciting new addition to our pattern range. I've cut my fabric and I've sewed the front and back side seams together, and I'm just attaching the binding pieces which form the neck and armhole ribs. I've used a contrast colour for those. I'm now pinning the armhole rib onto the garment, and I'm following the notches to help guide me where to pin it. And then I'm stitching this down with a 1 centimetre seam allowance, stretching the binding ever so slightly as I do. I then flip it out the right way and turn the binding over the top to conceal those raw edges. And this rib works like a normal binding, so I'm just attaching that here. And you can see the front and back shoulders don't meet, but the binding adds a strap. And I repeat that same process on the other side. I'm now going to add the neck binding, and I'm pinning this carefully because I've got to attach this binding to the strap that goes over the shoulder. So pinning that carefully and then sewing in exactly the same way like you would a normal binding. Finishing with a hem, and I like to do a double stitch line for the hem for a professional finish. And then I give the whole garment a really good steam to make it nice and flat. And this is how the binding looks on the neck and armhole. So that's how I make this lovely simple racer vest. It's a really easy piece to make, and the colour options are endless. So enjoy. I can't wait to see what you make.